A flask contains 0.5 mole of oxygen gas and another flask Q contains 0.4 mole of ozone gas. Okay, flask P contains 0.5 mole of oxygen, another flask Q contains 0.4 mole of oxygen ozone gas. Which of the two container having larger number of oxygen atom? I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Help each other here. Number of oxygen atom in flask P, oxygen 1 mole oxygen. So for that, how do we do it? So for flask P, here I have written in flask P. So first you should know that 1 mole of oxygen contain it is diatomic. So number of atoms they are asking. So number of atoms will be equal to 1 mole contain 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. But since oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen contains 2 diatomic 2 mole of oxygen atom. So what we will do, 2 multiplied by 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. We will solve it. Answer will be 0.5 mole. 0.5 mole means half. So this will be cancelled out. Answer will be 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms are present in flask P contains 0.5 mole of oxygen. Half mole of oxygen, right? Now 1 mole of ozone contain 3 mole of oxygen atom. So 0.4 mole of ozone contain 3 into 0.4, that is equal to 1.2 mole of oxygen atom. Clear to you? 1 mole contain how many? 3 mole of oxygen atom. What does it mean? It is triatomic. 3 atoms. It is composed of 3 atoms. Triatomic means 3. So if we are taking this 1 mole term, so we will use 3 mole of oxygen atom. So 0.4 mole of oxygen ozone contain. This is called ozone. Okay, ozone gas contains, we multiply 3 into 0.4, answer will be 1.2 mole of oxygen atom. And the same way 1 mole is equivalent to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. So 1.2 mole will be having, you multiply 1.2 into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. This is Avogadro number. So answer is coming to be 7.2276 into 10 raised to power 23. These are the number of oxygen atom present in 1.2 mole of ozone. 1.2 mole of ozone I am writing. Okay, so 1.2 mole of ozone, 1.2 mole of oxygen, sorry, 1.2, because we have calculated everything. So 1.2 mole of oxygen is equal to, in terms of Avogadro number, molecules, how many molecules are there or atoms are there. So here we are discussing atoms, not molecules.